Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this solid pentagons. Now since for making these pentagons, we'll be using basic crochet stitches like double crochets. So as a beginner, one can easily crochet them. Now you can make these pentagons in various sizes and colors and just join them together to make a variety of crochet projects like baby stuffed toys like balls or baby blankets, handbags and many more. So let's see how this is worked out. The materials that we need in order to crochet this solid pentagons are a 2.5 mm crochet hook, any color 4-ply cotton yarn as per your choice, stitch markers and scissors. So let's begin. To start up with our pentagon, first make a magic circle. And work 2 chains. Now these 2 chains won't be considered as a double crochet. Now going back into the magic circle, we'll be working 15 double crochets. So continue working double crochets into the magic circle until you have 15 of them. Now excluding the 2 chains which are done initially, in all I have worked 15 double crochets. Now pull the tail of the magic circle so as to close it and slip stitch on top of the first double crochet worked. So that completes our first round. Now for the second round, again work 2 chains. Now these 2 chains are not considered as a double crochet, and going back into the same space we'll be working 1 double crochet. Into the next stitch, work 1 double crochet increase, that is 2 double crochet into the same stitch. So in all, I have worked 3 double crochets. Now moving to the next stitch, we'll be working the first corner of the pentagon, and the corner consists of 1 double crochet followed by 1 triple crochet and 1 double crochet. All these stitches will be worked in the same stitch. Now we'll be marking the triple crochet, which is a center stitch. Now corners of the pentagons will be worked in this marked stitches for the subsequent rounds. So the pattern repeats. Moving into the next stitch, work 1 double crochet followed by 1 double crochet increase into the next stitch, and into the third stitch we'll be working the second corner of the pentagon, which is 1 double crochet followed by 1 triple crochet and 1 more double crochet, all worked into the same stitch. Now just mark the triple crochet worked. So continue with this pattern till the end of the round. And every time you work the triple crochet, don't forget to mark it using a stitch marker. So here I have almost come to the end of the second round, and as you can see I have put markers so as to mark the triple crochet stitches of the corners, and since the pentagon has 5 corners, so I have put 5 stitch markers. Now to end this round, we shall slip stitch into the first double crochet. So that completes the second round. Now for the third round, again work 2 chains and going back into the same space, work 1 double crochet. Now we shall work 1 double crochet into each of the stitches till we reach the marker. So in total I have worked 4 double crochets. Now remove the marker and into the marked stitch again you will be working a corner comprising of a double crochet, a triple crochet, and one more double crochet, all worked into the same stitch. Now as I mentioned before, don't forget to mark the triple crochet stitch and just continue working double crochet into each of the stitches till you reach the next marker. And on reaching the marked stitch, just remove the marker, work the corner comprising of a double crochet, a triple crochet and a double crochet, and continue with the sequence till the end of the round. Once I am done with my last corner, I shall get back. So after working the last corner, I have marked the triple crochet stitch. Now I am left with one double crochet. So going into the stitch, work a double crochet, and to end the third round, slip stitch into the first double crochet worked. Now over here, as you can see, I have marked the triple crochet stitches, and between these stitches in total I have worked about 7 double crochets. Now as you make your pentagon bigger and bigger, the number of double crochets that will be working between these triple crochet stitches will increase by a count of 2. So in third round we have in total 7 double crochets. For the fourth round it will be around 9 double crochets. For the fifth one it will be 11. So it will just keep on increasing in this way. Now for the fourth round, again work 2 chains and the pattern is same as we had done in the third round. So going back into the same stitch, work 1 double crochet and just continue working double crochets into each of the stitches till you reach the marker. So here I worked in total 5 double crochets. Now remove the marker and into the mark stitch work the first corner, a double crochet followed by 1 triple crochet and 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. Now mark the triple crochet stitch worked and continue with the sequence of working double crochets into each of the stitches till we reach the next marker, and the pattern continues. So just repeat with this pattern till the end of the round. So here I worked the last corner and I am still left with 2 stitches. So into these stitches I will be working 1 double crochet each. And to end the fourth round, slip stitch into the first stitch and cut the yarn. So after cutting the yarn, I have weaved in all the loose ends on the back side. Also I have removed the stitch markers since this is the size of the pentagon that I need in order to make the baby stuffed toy. Now in case if you want to make this pentagon bigger, then you can just follow the pattern sequence on round 4 and keep repeating it again and again for the desired size of the pentagon. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it really very useful. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.